Did you know that there are trees on Earth that have traveled to the moon and back? Yes, you heard that right. These special trees are known as moon trees. But what exactly are moon trees? In the late 1960s, NASA sent Apollo missions to the moon, and as part of those missions, astronaut Stuart Roosa carried a small canister filled with tree seeds. These seeds included varieties such as loblolly pine, sycamore, sweet gum, and Douglas fir. During the mission, the canister remained stored and untouched, but upon returning to Earth, the seeds were germinated by the Forest Service in Mississippi. New seedlings sprouted from space-traveled seeds, giving birth to the moon trees. These moon trees were then sent to various locations across the United States and even to other countries, where they were planted and grew, just like any other tree. This unusual journey led to a mystery and wonder about how the journey to space might have affected the growth of these trees. Scientists and tree enthusiasts have studied moon trees to determine if they bear any unique characteristics. Although there is no conclusive evidence linking the journey to space with any significant changes in the tree's growth or appearance, they have become symbols of space exploration and curiosity. Today, you can visit moon trees in various locations, such as the United States, Brazil, and Switzerland. These silent witnesses to space travel remind us of the incredible achievements made by humans to explore the vastness of our universe. So, next time you see a towering tree, remember that it might have a story that's out of this world. And let's continue to unravel the mysteries and explore the enigma of moon trees together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories like this.